It's time for a long overdue update on the fleet. So the last time I did a video, it was on my Rover 75. Now unfortunately I took the decision after doing a wee bit of work to it that it just needed simply too much work to make it into a good car and to bring it in up to the standard that I wanted. So I sold that on in July. That's 2 months ago. Sorry, 1 month ago from now. And that was at 6 o'clock in the morning. Chap came off night shift and bought it, and by 10:30 at night I had purchased this. One of my friends who already has 2 of these, and a couple of other friends who have had them in the past, had recommended them and they had a lot of knowledge about them. So I took one of my friends with me and I purchased this on the 20th of July 2018. So it's a Renault Clio 172 Phase 2. It's a 2002. It's got 92,000 miles on it. One of the reasons I bought it, apart from the fact that it looks great, is that it has had a lot of work done to it recently. So in March 2017 it had a new clutch, and October 2017 it had a new timing belt, dephaser, auxiliary drive belt tensioner. Also had new back brakes and new handbrake cables. And these are all things that can be really expensive jobs on this car. So these were all done, and it also drove amazingly well. So that was one of the reasons why I bought it. It's Monaco blue. I'll just take you a quick look around it. It's got a few modifications. It's got a cone filter in the engine bay, which I'm not a fan of. It's got coilovers on it, and also I'll take you around the back. It's got a 182 look exhaust on it. That's made by KTR. It's quite loud. So it pulls extremely well. Certainly drives as you would expect one of these to drive. Very pleased with it. Have a look inside. It's good clean condition inside. It's got the half leather and Alcantara seats. Leather steering wheel. It's got climate control. Decent dashboard. Alloy pedals. Fortunately one of them has come off, but put that back on at some point. Needs new rivets. So it goes exceptionally well. Sounds like really good. I'm very pleased with it. I'll start it up, let you hear it. Always check it's in neutral. So overall, very pleased with it. Not really got any plans for it because it doesn't need any work, unlike the Rover. This needs nothing doing at all. I'll probably do an oil change in the next couple of weeks. Apart from that, the only other thing it needs doing is a little bit of bubbling around here. It's a common point for Clios. I'll just squirt some wax oil or something in there. It's also got an updated Sony head unit, which I'm not a fan of, but I've got the original radio there. Got the Renault Sport sill plates as well. Oh, they're not coming up in the camera, it's too bright. Really nice interior in it. Once I get more time, we'll do a driving video of it. Looking forward to it.